Hi guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader, and I consider it a source of pride that I am very adept at spotting the early turns in the market. And one of those early turns that I saw last week was in the British pound versus Australian dollar. Now, for the last couple of years, the Australian dollar has been one of the weakest currencies on the board, and I've been making a ton of money shorting Australian dollar. But now I sense that this currency is now turning the other way. And to that end, I advised our members about a week ago to start shorting pound versus Australian dollar at the 271 area. And right now we're trading about 350 pips lower at about the 197.40 area in pound versus Australian dollar. Simultaneously, a couple days ago, I also advised our members to go long the the Australian dollar versus the US dollar at 62.09. And right now, currently in the markets, we're trading 100 pips higher at 63.09. And I expect those pairs to keep going more profitable as the Australian dollar looks to take a surprising turn, going from one of the weakest currencies on the board to what may be one of the stronger ones. So I really consider that I'm fairly adept at spotting these turns early and advising our members. I'm going to show you a couple of emails that I sent out where I spotted the turn in pound Australian dollar and Australian dollar, US dollar respectively. I hope you like this analysis. If you'd like to understand more about my analysis, how I get in on these trades very early, I would encourage you to sign up to my weekly accelerator program where I go through all of the trades in detail, explain my thinking on the charts in a very lengthy video report that comes out each Sunday, and then also attach a trade each Sunday if there is one to be had. So right now I am spotting an early turn in these Australian markets. I love these low expectation trades where the Australian dollar has been written off. It's been going down for years, and now all of a sudden it's turning, and people will be scratching their heads as to the reason why. But to my mind, the market is a discounting mechanism. Price is the news, and all I do is follow the price. So right now, the pound versus Australian dollar is tracing out a long-term ascending, broadening price pattern, and we're now at the lower end of this pattern. And if we bust this pattern, this could go all the way to 178. So there could be a $20,000 move for every $1,000 you bet when this thing comes out of this pattern. So I encourage you to take a look at it. I encourage you to take a look at the accelerator program if you like this way of analysis. So until next time, I wish you a healthy and prosperous trading day.